Officer! Officer!
What?
I saw him. I saw the wanted fugitive.
What was he wearing?
He was wearing a pink coat, a golden glasses, and like a yellow type of hair.
Ah, you must be talking about Ryu.
Who are you? No. One darnation. What happened to you? Huh? Hey,
Who are you? Hey, you're under arrest.
guys, so I became June Juliet, and I got some really funny clips. So, yeah, I hope you enjoy the video. With it, since I'm not heavy.
Guys, commoners.
He's not tiny, he's just in the block.
Hey, June Juliet. June Juliet.
If you want to.
Yo, what is that?
What do you mean?
Yo, how is the gun
In
in
the
the
lot.
How is this?
Oh, that's one person. Wait. Who said it? Who said it? Who said it? Oh!
Holy shit, it's an invisible gun.
Oh my, I just came out of my boundary. What the? You look crazy.
Say hello to my little. Gosh, no one will ever be allowed to.
Sweet! Oh man, frick!
Say hello to my little friend.
Sweet!
Exactly what I wanted for.
You messed up.
Wait, do you know who I am?
Of course I do.
Who am I?
You're Ryu.
Yeah!
Ryu Ishigori.
Yeah! Alright, that's two people. That's two people now.
Where the hell?
Oh, two
Thanks for the
Don't worry, Goku, I got you. That's not good.
Sweet!
Yo, what? Yo.
Oh my god, go. Keep dying.
Buddy.
Sweet!
I want Buddy.
Yo, that gun has insane range.
Ryu Ishigori.
The last time the overload didn't do it, sir. Yo, Ryu.
Brr.
Ow, yo.
Oh, there's three people. Yo, reach my goal.
That's all we are. That's all. I'm with you. I'm with you. Yo, let's laugh.
I just LARPed him. You just got LARPed. Huh? Where did it
Yo,
go?
can I scan you?
Where did it go?
There's a modder in this god. Fuck them. Fuck modder. Can I get one?
You are the modder. You are the modder.
Where's my friend?
Yes, you are.
Explain how. Look.
Yup, he was the modder. Sweet. Oh yes, the calling game. Sweet. Sweet. Alright. Sweet. Sweet. Deserted his life.
Yes, I do.
Deserted his life. Sweet.
I forgot.
Where am I?
On the stage street.
Bro, you made me lose my thing now. By the way, can I scan your thing?
Now. Yo, I gotta get out of here.
will be in.
What the fuck? Hey, it work? Okay.
Yeah, but they keep coming
Yeah,
back.
boys.
It's not very reliable.
I got
We're
my
gonna-
message.
I can
Roger,
help you
Roger,
guys
Roger,
with
Roger,
the
come
boss,
again.
you know.
Hey, you want to go to the Farlands?
Farlands?
Yeah, Farlands.
What do you mean the farm? Tell me what you mean.
What dessert is like? Sweet.
Yo, guys, on the stage 3, if you want to order some coffee.
Top down in Tennessee.
Okay, I'm gonna put it right
On the stage 3, if you want to order some
Where you going,
coffee.
fella?
Sweet.
Oh no.
This is what dessert is like.
Don't check my pipe. I got this special.
Here we go. I just got bombed.
Yo, come to stage 3 if you want to order some coffee.
You are
chat.
weak.
I love this pipe.
You're weak sauce. My grandma can defeat you.
Come to stage 3
Yeah.
if you want to order some
This is
coffee.
what dessert is like.
What update?
Yo, I just gave him the genuine.
I joined when Chuck Shit was up.
What? What?
Wasn't talking to you! Yo, what up, Taylor?
Yo, my bad, bro. I didn't realize that was a... Sir, no! Sir! Oh, my...
Sonny! What do you shoot me down, bro? Sonny! Sorry, fella.
Yo, bro, calm down.
Make sure the second one's not...
Sweet!
Yo, here, take this pipe.
Sweet! Yo,
If you want to order some coffee.
get over here, boy.
Would love to order.
Sweet! Like,
I didn't do that again, Spearman. I didn't do that again, Spearman. I didn't do that again.
frick.
What? Where did he go? Did he just
Do
get
that
sent into
again.
stash?
I dare you to do that again.
Stash.
I dare you.
Go to a safe area. Go to safe.
Do what?
Call again though. Come to stage 4.
This is what dessert is
Come to
like.
stage 3 if you want to order some coffee.
Oh! Sweet!
Come to stage 3 if you want to order some coffee. I'd rather rub my butt around your face instead of buying a kebab. First I can get a beer.
This is sweet!
People just don't like hillbillies.
This is what dessert is like.
That just matters. I don't know what they put.
Sweet!
No! No! I need it.
Oh my god!
Sweet! Yo, sweet! This is what dessert is like! Okay guys, so thank you for watching. And yeah, if you enjoyed the video, if you enjoyed the video, like, subscribe, and yeah, broccoli. Oh, you can't have it. Oh! Oh, and I just got it. Like and subscribe for Grimace.